Let us look now at wiring up the photocell. Now, you have 3 wires on the photocell: a black, a red, and a white. Now, the black wire is a live wire, and it goes to the line. That means back to the circuit breaker. Alright? The photocell top might, when you look at it, you might see line, load, and neutral. Some of them, they would say L1, that is the line, L0, that is the load, and then N, the neutral. Alright? Going to make my yellow white. The white is really white. Now, here for the black, you connect that, and you're going to connect it to the wire that is coming directly from the circuit breaker. But let's join it in the junction box. You have more space in the junction box. Use a wire connector and join it here. So as you see, the current can flow from the circuit breaker. Oh, let me do that part again. So current can flow from the circuit breaker, right, up through this wire and down, either through the 3 switches, or it can branch and go up to the photocell. So remember, black is line, it goes to the circuit breaker. As for the red wire, that red wire will go to the live of the bulb that is here. And the white wire will go through here to the neutral of the bulb. Alright? And then, of course, you need to earth. So from this earth wire here, the green, you go and earth. Where is it? The earth screw. See it here? The earth screw on the octagonal box, and well, you don't have an earth screw on the broad base receptacle for the bulb because it's plastic. So you do your earthing. Alright? Now this neutral, this white neutral, I'm going to draw the neutral wire blue. Oh, let me just draw this blue. Remember, the color is yellow, but I'm assuming it's white. Alright, so this neutral, you must have a wire from it running back to the main neutral. You could have another wire joined somewhere here or here, right, wherever it is, and you tie it with this neutral. Remember, this neutral is already coming from the circuit breaker is on one circuit, so it's one line, and then you branch it to whichever neutral you need. Alright? This neutral is already on the bulb controlled by the 3 switches, and the same neutral is tied to the neutral on the bulb that is controlled by the photocell. So in that case, we have the earthing, we have the black going back, connecting back to the circuit breaker, we have the red connecting to the live of the bulb, and we have the white connecting to the neutral, and that neutral connects all the way back to the neutral bar. So that is the wiring of the photocell.